We're going to start with our deep breaths or tapping if you don't want to do your deep breaths. So we're going to start with the first deep breath in. So deep breath 1 in and out. Deep breath in 2 and out. Deep breath in 3 and out. And so I like each and every one of you to continue with your deep breaths in. Keep deep breathing in. And I really want you to focus in on your body and focus in on your heart or anywhere else that you feel your anxiety is residing. Ask your body, where is my anxiety? It might be in your knee, it might be in your head, your hand. There's no right or wrong place. But let's just find where our anxiety is. And let's recognize our anxiety. And first, we're going to welcome our anxiety. We're going to say, thank you. Thank you for trying to keep me safe. Thank you for caring about me enough to keep me safe from being hurt or harmed or experiencing trauma. We're going to feel gratitude for our body. Gratitude that it gives us anxiety to keep us safe. Gratitude for the fears that warn us of danger. And now let's go back to the time, the very first time that you remembered feeling anxiety. Continue to deep breathe in. And when you're back at that time, whisper into the ear of your past self and tell yourself you are safe. You are protected. You are no longer in danger. It is okay to release, to forgive, to not be in fear, and to let go of that anxiety, the fears, and all of the negative emotions attached to that experience. You might see yourself sitting on the floor, curled up in a ball, afraid to move. So gently walk up to your past self. Put your hand on his or her shoulder and say, hey, it's safe now. It's time for us to get up. It's time to take a deep breath. And it's time to move forward. Reach out your hands to your past self and help pick them up. If that self is a child, you can hold them in your arms. If that self is an adult, just give yourself a big hug. And as you do, watch that past self melt into your current self, reintegrating, joining, and completing your energetic field, bringing the past back into the present, back where you are safe and back where you are protected. Just pause and feel love for yourself. And as you feel that love around you, beautiful purple and pink energy starts to flow, surrounding you in a healing cloud as it gently cleanses the emotions, the fear, and the anxiety permanently from your body, from your perspective, from the past, the present, and even the future. And as that cleanses, it sweeps through your aura, taking all that stagnant, heavy energy and allowing it to flow out to the ocean, rebalancing, regenerating, and healing your body. Now, over the top of your head, there's a beautiful green light pouring over you, cleansing through your body, every organ from the top of your head, flowing down to the tips of your toes. And again, from the top of your head, down to the tips of your toes. And it flows away down to the ocean where the water will heal and regenerate and clear and cleanse those emotions. Let's take a deep breath in. Feeling love and gratitude for your body. Telling your body, thank you. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for being strong. Thank you for keeping us safe. And I want you to start thinking the word clear. And keep saying that either out loud or in your mind, clear, clear. As you feel the energy and emotions that are remaining, clear and shift from your auric field, from your soul, from your physical and energetic body. Again, clear, clear, clear. Deep breath in, clear, clear. You might feel tingling, you might feel buzzing or other feelings of emotions. Clear, clear, clear. And as you stand there, we'll envision roots coming from your feet, connecting you to the source energy of the earth, drawing up and energizing your body from those roots, and sending down any other energies that you are retaining that no longer serve you. And continue to send and receive that energy as you focus in on your heart. Taking a deep breath in, clearing your heart, feeling into your heart where your soul and your subconscious resides. Say hello to your energy. Just feel it. Every beat of your heart as that energy beats, beating, 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 gently pumping light, loving, clearing, energizing through your body, through your veins, up to the top of your head, out through your hands and your fingers and toes. And it flows out, pushing out beautiful white energy to the edges of your auric field. And it searches for the cracks and the crevices, the fractures and the holes in your aura. And that light will start to flow into those cracks, flow into those crevices. continuing to flow, to heal, to regenerate your energy, allowing your energy to perfectly flow between your physical and your spiritual body. And that gentle energy will start to spin around you, like sparkling stardust, healing and regenerating. It will ground and attach you to the earth, to the energy around you from the trees and the air and the water. And it will continue to draw and regenerate energy as long as your body needs it to continue your healing and rebalancing process. And now I'd like you guys to say this with me. Take a deep breath in, focusing on your energetic body. Repeat after me. I permanently clear all negative attachments, emotions, fears, and entities that are creating and perpetuating anxiety in my reality. Backwards through time, forward into the future, sideways, up and down. I clear all layers on all levels, permanently and completely. I give all of these emotions that do not serve me to the Creator, to my higher power, to my universe, to heal and regenerate for me. Take a deep breath in. Say thank you to your body for healing and regenerating your body and releasing that energy. And when you're ready, you can wiggle your toes, your arms, your fingers, start to move around a little bit. Come back into the room. I'm just going to light some Palo Santo to clear the energy. And allow that to kind of clear. If you guys have sage, incense, Palo Santo, you can burn that as well. You can also use an energy clearing spray. Salt water is a great clearing. And so what we're going to recognize is that with this healing, that just as if when you guys are sick, that your body is going to feel tired because we're releasing. And so it's perfectly natural for your body to feel tired. We're going to support our body by taking naps. We're going to support our body by drinking plenty of fluids, tea or water. Have a beautiful night and a beautiful evening.